Good morning again, year 4. We are going to continue using this because it seemed successful enough. So we'll carry on with me using this sort of setup for our lessons until otherwise notified. Okay, I'm just sharing your morning fluency with you here. So you've got your 4 operations questions. If you want to pause it and write them down and start using your methods. Let me zoom in for your reasoning question there. This table shows the opening times of a pet clinic. How many hours is the clinic open on Thursday? So it says 10:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. But how many hours is that? Use a timeline, just like in yesterday's lesson. There are the questions there for you again. Today's word of the day is churn. So write a definition if you're unsure of what it means, put it in a sentence, find some synonyms and some antonyms. Once you've answered and had your questions marked on the quiz, come back here for a couple of explanations. So here are your answers. Hopefully it marked it accurately for you. Let's have a look at a two-digit multiplication. 45 times 18. 5 times 8 is 40, so 0 carry the 4, and then 4 times 8 is 32, plus my 4 is 36. What I now need to do is I need to move across, but before that I need to put my magic 0 in. So now we have 5 times 1 is 5, and 4 times 1 is 4, so our final step is to add those up, as seen there. The reasoning question, how many hours is the clinic open on Thursday? Let's start our timeline at 10:30. Let's finish it at 2:30. Bit trickier jumps compared to yesterday. I'm going to add 30 minutes to get me to 11. I'm then going to add 1 hour to get me to 12. Then I will add my 2 hours and 30 minutes to get me to 30. So I've got 1 hour, 3 hours, 3 hours 30 minutes, 4 hours in total. You actually have a Key Stage 2 assembly here, and that will be uploaded, so change that mindful activity there. Before that you have maths. We're looking at compound shapes and areas today, so a little bit trickier. Stick with it, it's all about breaking down the information. And SPAG, I'm going backwards here, and SPAG is continuing that focus of indirect speech. After that Key Stage 2 assembly I strangely started with, you have got your resolution and ending for your free write, read theory and lunch, and then you have science, and actually your mindful activity I'm going to change, and I'm going to give you a mindful activity at the end of the day because it is Mental Health Week for children and I want to have a lesson devoted to that. So you've got that to look forward to. Have a fantastic day, year 4, and I will see you soon.